To solve this data sufficiency question, let's consider each statement separately first, then together if necessary. So this question asks, what's the value of m over 6 plus n over 6 plus p over 6? So before we look at the statements, it's worth noting that hopefully we realize that that expression is the same as m plus n plus p all over 6. Now, let's look at statement 1. So if you notice statement 1, it's m plus n plus p over 3 equals 12. That looks pretty close to m plus n plus p over 6. In fact, if we can divide both sides by 2, we'll get m plus n plus p over 6 equals 12 divided by 2, which is 6. So pretty quickly, we can see that statement 1 alone is sufficient, so we can eliminate choices B, C, and E. Now let's look at statement 2. Statement 2 tells us that m plus n is equal to 18. Well, the first thing we might notice is that we have 3 variables in the expression we're trying to figure out, which is m plus n plus p over 6, but only 2 variables here, m and n. So if we only have 2 variables but don't know anything about variable p, then we're not going to have enough information to find what we need. So statement 2 alone is not sufficient, which means we can eliminate choice D, and the correct answer is going to be choice A. Statement 1 alone is sufficient, but statement 2 alone is not sufficient.